Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Anytime you come across this video, you are highly welcome. You're welcome. Okay, welcome you guys to a very happy new month. We're in the month of April or May. Sorry. The year they run fast, you know. And I pray for each and everyone. What we will be able to achieve in the month of January, February, March, April, we'll achieve it in this month of May. Okay, bless you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe. Okay, yeah, everything is gradually, gradually getting back to normal. So, and by the grace of God, everything will be fine as soon as possible. As soon as possible, before you know it, everything will be over. And play your part, stay safe, protect yourself, protect your family, protect others. Okay? God bless you as you do so. Please, anytime you come across my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sarah TV Show. Please press the notification bell so that anytime I'm here, you will be notified. Okay, thank you so much, and I want to use the opportunity to thank all my subscribers, my loved ones. You guys are wonderful. I love you guys. You are really amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank the one that have not subscribed. Yes, I know my people. They will subscribe. So please help a sister. Let's support each other. Support me, and the good Lord will also bless you. We'll support you whenever you need the help. Okay, thank you, and the Lord will bless each and every one of us. Yeah, my topic, I never write it, but it's a women empowerment. My YouTube channel is about women empowerment and say no to fake life. Yes, women empowerment. Okay, I do teach about that and some other things. Okay. It's because of this lockdown. Okay, please let's keep the fire burning. Make the fire still dey burn. Make you know your office say we dey lockdown. Okay, we dey no. You can still do something. You can still, stop you for other things what you want to do. Shey dey feel me? Stop you to do other things to improve on yourself, to improve on your life, and to think about your life, how you want to take it from here. Okay, very important. And please say no to fake life. Live your life. Don't live your life above your standard. Live as it be. Take them as it be. Don't be proud. The Lord say, bring yourself down, and God will lift you up. Even the Bible. So when you bring yourself down, God will bring you up. May they take and small. May we start. And before you know, you will day up. God will lift you up. Anything you pull your hand will be blessed. Anything you lay your hand on will be blessed. And let's stay positive. Stay positive and do your thing. And make sure you're doing it. You're focusing. You focus. Don't let anybody distract you. Don't let anything when anybody talk, they won't weigh you down. They won't, draw you for the things we suppose, they wait. No, please, guys. Please, it's never too late to start. It's never too late to pick it where you drop it. It's never too late in the terms of education, in the terms of going back to school, look for a job, doing things to build yourself. Build yourself, my people, my lovely women, my darling, my gorgeous, fabulous women. There's nothing like self-made boss lady. This my point is all about boss lady. The boss lady I'm talking about is the self-made boss lady. You understand? The boss lady that you will do things. Even say before, now people will give you, now people will say that woman a boss, because they are seeing the things that you're doing, they're seeing the way you're fighting for your life, they're seeing the way you're working, trying so hard. And no devil, no demon, no witches and wizard can bring you down. When the Lord have raised up, nobody will bring you down. So just be focused and do your thing. Do your thing. No, don't live no live above your standard now. If you know they no they that is the problem we're having now on this social media. Fake life have been there. Fake life they don't tell people they live fake life. You don't see when people don't they now this Facebook now. So many things we say if they happen now we can they see. When a different thing, you know, they come on board. It don't they happen. Even before I was born. Before you were born. Just that Oyibo they can't bring this phone, bring internet, bring things. So you do your house now, you can't they see them. Then when they grow, they come no lights, no phone, nothing. Bad things they happen. But if not be the area when it for happen, where or you see person or the thing happen or person tell you, you know go see them. Because Oyibo can't do and for can't they, we can't they see many things. And those things when you see that happen, it definitely happen. It has been there. It has been happening for years. Okay? But we should try as much as possible to try and reduce, especially in the area of fake life, you know, and pray to God to give you that strength. That strength when you fit a move on, when you fit a do everything when you propose for your mind. When they get within you, say you want to pray for God's strength, for God's wisdom and guidance, and you see everything will be fine. And don't listen to what if anything is there that you want to do. Please, I beg you, I will keep on begging. Don't listen to what people will say. People will always say, be good or bad. Okay, people will always say. So no can they look, no can they discourage, or you won't go school, or they will say no, you don't need those. We need positive vibes. There are around people when people say they encourage you. You know, because there is one, some people won't look for work now, so they talk say work no day. Now lie, you don't need those people. Work day. My God, this coronavirus now, when you do so many things never open for our side, it never open. You know, if not, my video when now they do now, they come they tell you don't find work. Are you going for it? Are you going to school? Because I will be there if I come back, I fit do video. I didn't find work or I don't see work, I dey work. I will do video, they advise everybody. Fine, sick. You know, if you out there ask me what community, you know, if you there ask me as you want to improve your life, make a community. No, you have to make a move. Make move. Do something. Do something. And stop to the look all those people be say there are so many people be say they are all not good, they are not okay, they are not happy with them. You know, but some people like pretend. They feel if they pretend for you, even you will be surprised. That is why I don't know how they do it anyway. I don't know how they do it. There was a time in my life when we say nothing day, and I tell everybody, and I not the not nothing there, because I don't want to come pretend for person who will help me. No, but some people nothing they nothing, but they will pretend. They will pretend I see everything. All is not well. This life, if you don't talk, come at something, they pass something, they go through something, you know, talk. How you face a person when it will help you? There are so many people there in Nigeria, know, we say they not see food shop, they know nothing. Then they talk, and before you know, people begin to help. And thank God for good people, good heart people. When we say they get the heart of giving. But if you don't talk, how person will take help you? Or if you get challenged, one challenging or the other for one place or the other, you don't talk, come out. How you take? How? They say heaven help those who help themselves. You know, God no fit come for heaven, can't help you. Now you will help yourself. And he will send people, good people to help you. You know? And let your heart be clean. Not be by go church. For me, I know they go church. Don't be say the discussion when we say they go. I they go before. I couldn't say many churches for this, even not be only Europe, all over the world. The one will be real, they no reach 5. I see too much of fake. You know, donating, they put money for church, maybe say nothing, they come out. Nothing. If you even if you they sow your seed for place when you know they fighter, you know they germinate. You might say you go plant corn for where dry place. I heard that corn won't take grow. That's why since when I decided I prefer to help less privilege, people when we say I see say they not really get down to come up my money, whether offering or tithe, put that for church. I prefer to put it there. God know me now. My heart I'll take do, and I take the do. You know, I feel go now. They go church, but if they do something, you see say that thing, you know, they bring good results. You will withdraw. Now I say withdraw. I know they go church, but I don't get evil mind for anybody. I don't get hatred for anybody. If I decide to stay away from some people, it's because I don't want to be hurt. It's because I have given those people so many opportunity, so many chance, and they see, and that thing I don't need them again for my life. I don't care who you are, anybody when you be now. You know, that is why now I prefer, I decided to do me, to do whatever that pleases me, to do whatever I like. You know, bring out the best in me, because and so right times, so many times for my life, I don't say when we say some people they bring the bad side of you. Yes, it happen. So people will talk say you know be like that before. See, so people they not only the bad side, everybody get bad side of them. Be you woman or man. But it depends on the people when you deal with. Depends on the one they bring out. So people now the bad one that they bring come out. They know they bring the good side of you. So you will come the art. You come the art to that way. And people will come and look and say you bad. No, you in reality, in the serious, you be not bad. But just that people when they're around you, the bad energy, you know, negative vibes, useless talk, you know, things where they do, now they cause them. But they know they look that side again. Now only your action, they'll come they talk, hey, this person bad, they do. No, nobody bad. No, nobody no get good side, nobody no get bad side. You know? So that's why I still do advise people to please stay away from bad people, stay away from bad energy. You know, negative vibes. Please stay away. And only do with people that see, that encourage you, that see your worth, that really value you, that really take you the way you are. You don't need to pretend. That's why I know they pretend. If you don't like me, no problem. But this is how I am. And I get people, even if they're not many, I get people when they just take me like this. They just take me. I don't need to pretend. I don't need to hide. Because that one, many women still, they up to marriages, relationship. They go hide. You know? They go hide. Not be their character, not be waiting their bill. But they go hide, they will pretend. So that I don't know, maybe the person will take me, you know. It don't, if person like you, if person love you, it will take you to where you be. It will love, this love, you not just need to love only the good side of person. If you feel accept the bad side, you can accept the good side. And also, so with everybody get bad and good side. Nobody will not get. You will never show, and I don't mean say you not get. You know, if person provoke and from you know, your conscience say you get. That's why you don't need to hide. You have to be yourself, be you. You know, that is why so many marriages now, many relationships, they are all not good. They very bad relationship, very toxic relationship. They want to deceive you. They want to tell you waiting all day, waiting things that is there, you know, things maybe they not dead. They won't tell you so that make you they feel say you are worthless. That is why you need to work on yourself. Work on yourself, girl, guy, man, woman. If this corona finish, I will do video every time. Today you don't go find work. How you want? What have you? That's why I see they use the opportunity now. They tell people they use this time now. They process and more. Not just sit down for us, just eat, sleep. You know, do if you get woman, get boyfriend. You know, life is more than that. Think about your life. Think the other way for the missing. If not to take a step back, take a step back. Not to read. It's not too late to start. It's not too late to start. You know, there's this video that I watched in the Naomi Campbell, that model. She's beautiful. She can't share because many people they clap for success. They clap for people when be say don't make am. They clap say that they see this thing when be say they don't do. But you know what that person go through before he can achieve those things. And some people, they don't want to pay the price. They don't want to pay the price. Or they just want to just they make fake pastors. They can't see, many people can't say, now those things now what people like. They give you unnecessary prophecy. When be say you will sleep, they tell them what they want hear. Because some of them are very lazy. How you will sleep, wake up, see money? Where for they happen? But another one, that most pastor they tell now. You will get, you know work, how you want to get, and even the Bible say, he that does not work should not eat. You know work, how you want to shop. Now in Nigeria, that's it. Politicians will do their own. They go collect our money, shop our future, shop our children own. Pastor will come do the worst part of it. They rich every day, even from the poor. From the poor, they rich. They take the small one they even get. No, I don't blame those pastors. Now the people when be say that they go there, now I blame. It's small one when you get, you go there give pastor when be say he don't made. Or the name will say you define miracle. Go and work, go to do something. The money when you define will come. You don't need any prophets. This Europe, Chinese people now they take over everywhere. Chinese people, they know they sleep. They know they sleep. Anyway, when they this country when they never see Chinese person, they are you that they other government, they collect money from government. Then they walk. We they see them. Then they walk 24 hours. Spanish people will lock store, they will lock their shop here. Chinese not they open. Then they take over everything. Why? Because of hard working. But Africans, Nigerians, they know they like they just won't wake up, see money on that pillow. And you know what will happen. If you like go me prophet, go me, me if we change that mentality. You will see all these pastors no go even feed the scammers. I see many churches here, even for African, as scam. See you scam. I'm robber when you no one go road now, go walk, go thief again. You go enter pastor. Because you don't even need to put gun for person, they bring money. Because why? That's it. They be foolish, useless people. They don't get sense. The people don't get sense. Don't look the sources. Don't look the sources. You do your own. Because those people, when you they look, say they don't make and they get cars. They no sleep. They know they sleep. Some, if they even sleep 5 hours, 6 hours, they don't wake. Now me can't be. She can't because many people they clap for her. They look what she don't achieve and all. You know what she do? She can't post because she be model. Anything they do for this life, person they fall. If they fall, it's the ability for you to stand up again. To pick up again, not just lose hope. Not just say all hope is lost. She posts video, she can't post video when we say as she do that catwalk with high heels, better heels when he high. And they follow all of them for Instagram. And they follow them, not just to follow them, they look at it. No. And then the motivation, they tell them that they motivate people. They motivate. When she posts that video, they talk say when she fall, she will use the catwalk they go now for where crowd they with the heel. She go fall, her leg will twist. You know what she writes? She said make people not look at her achievements, where she does they where make they look how many times she fall. That word he enter my head. Now right, she write down. She said make them know they look how successful she is now. And she still they find money. Even bigger they find money. Dangote all of them, they say they find money. She said make you not look there. Look how many times she fall. At the process when she did they find money. She shared the video. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 3, not be 4, not be 5, not be countless times. She fall. Twist her leg. She go now when they work when she go na profession. But she still fall. If you see one, the ones because if they fall like that, camera there, camera, pictures, everything dey. Go in and leg take twist, eh? When she dey catwalk, when she dey, you know, so not be just they walk out, they walk slowly. Oh. No, better walking sometimes. I like twist. And she can't share them. Many for no say, look where she for they come. Cause some people, they will just they look the artwork, you know, the outside. They know they look the in. They know go look where you from they come. They know many people for this. They look all these stars, all these musicians. You feel still be they work hard for their own. You feel still work hard for your own. No one sleep. Even if you musician, you be actor, you be this oh. Nigeria actor, American, they know they sleep. Sometimes full night said they no go sleep. And you go date there 24 hours, you go they sleep. You say you want this successful. How? The next thing to go one church, may pastor pray for you, may you begin blood the next morning. Now make ritual. Because Nigeria, they are full of lazy people. Now make pastor they scam all of them. Europe, with Europe now, lights, everything. They now hard work. Everything they okay now, they work hard for it. Nigeria, nothing is working there. And even the money, with the contracts get money rich, the old fools, they pack all of them, they made they rich, their children, their family finish. And so still there for them to speak out against those bad things. They will say they clap for them. They hate, they will top your money, your future, your children's future when they shop. It's very bad. And sometimes, even this Europe, when we say government everywhere, do many of them, they work out for themselves. They will use their hand work. They don't even depend on government. Now, this hand work, this hard working, I God they bless. Say God they bless with waiting in your hand, waiting you they do. If you they work now, God will bless you. They will from down from low, they will put you for high. Now hard work still reach there. Before any company when you're there, they will promote you. They will say you deserve one. Now so God they doing work. You know, fiercely for inside, they'll say they go put you for one kind of big office. It's not possible, my people. It's not possible. If we change our mentality, everybody will do everything will be fine. Instead to they look the successful. Why are they look them more? Are they both now the motivational one and they look? Me, I don't know how God to create me. I know the every person say he gets anything. I know the envy. That enviness, you know they in me. Even if it didn't small. But some people won't high. The ones when they go for now, the motivation. If you see how many motivational this thing I share for my phone. Once I see them, if I listen to her, I won't listen to her again over and over again. I will share them for my phone. Then I will listen to her. The day when I know they read, when I know they do my test, when I know they do anything, I will also they sometimes I watch all those people. Yes, I watch, you know. But sometimes we'll still there. I will also they watch those people to they get sense. They talk on. They know they sleep. You know they sleep, see money. They know they sleep, see money, my people. They know they sleep, get promotion. Be you musician, whether Africa, in America, anywhere. They know they sleep, see when they come blow. So they know not be say they sleep, blow. Make una they hear. And if you there they sleep, they feel say one day you will sleep. You will sleep away your life. Sleep away your everything. You say time and money. Time and money, oh. Time and money. That time when you say they sleep, when you they waste, they think of one thing. Start for somewhere. And for those when you get paper, when this corona finish, go look for work. If you won't feel, if you feel go school, you improve on your education. You know? They say travel is part of education. It's true. It's true. It's part of education. Experience things when people say they see, when you say you don't come out, you know. They learn, they go for things when we say it will be of a help. It will get used for your life. They go for those one more than things we know today relevant. Yes, go for more things don't be say get used for life pass. I know they look people they envy them. No make una no enviness. No they look people they jealousy. That jealousy spirit. Cause beneath us say agbon in ye kinake su say agbon the world so the world when they live in so they know they look all the society people many people they jealous them. But they know they look when they start. You don't read Bill Gates story. Bill Gates when they see so when he say man when he gets Zara he there everywhere now. You don't read the history. You didn't say he wake up, he just there on a big man born. Many of them not be big men born there. Bill Gates talk one thing. Is one person, his daughter can't give her money, big money. When he go restaurants, all those waitress, all those na waitress, yeah. When people want to say that they serve, he won't give for pinna, you know. When we say you, if I say some people, they just dash you something.
There go Records, baby.
They will all dash you something. Bill Gates picking can't dash am big money. Now the boy come to say if papa know the dash am big money, Bill Gates himself. Now you know what Bill Gates talk. He say he picking na billionaire picking. His daughter so na billionaire picking, but him na capital picking. He was not he picking the born Bill Gates born picking for wealth, but him himself they not born for wealth. What did they try to tell you? He work, he use his hand work. He find a life by himself. He get money by himself. So many people when we say they get money by themselves, when we say they work out for their money, they know they throw money out like that. They throw money for reasonable something. If they help, Bill Gates they help normally. You know how many thousands they help. But really, no, he will tell you saying you work hard for your money. And it's true. You work hard already, Bill Gates, a papa not rich, a mama not rich. No. But in doctor now when they say my dad is a billionaire, yes. Because he get love come from Bill Gates. So many people will say they be self-billionaire, millionaire. Many are self-made. Their papa, their mama not get money. They don't get. They don't get. They work themselves. They get that money by themselves. You can do it. You can start from somewhere. Small. You know me say you need to be you if you start you rich one time. You rich one time. Everything no. And this richness sometimes when they lead to if they work you get what they do. They feel they provide for yourself. They provide for your family. If na man you dey okay. You don't need too much wealth anyway. And you feel they help the less privileged. And me, why they pray make God help me, make I get more so that I'll see get more to the give. Yes. With the one way I want they get, I will they get to give. Because the other day someone tell me about giveaway. More risk for me I use. Not be say those people be say that they do. I just tell them my mind. Now my mind I talk. Not be say I not like and they use their platform, they raise money, they make people come they donate. Me personally, not be waiting I like. I know they work now, they find work. I they won't do something, I they won't do things so that later I feel give out of the one when I get, not be out of people. Because those ones, if I open my platform, people will come donate. They come they now then give, not be me. If I not be saying no good though, but my own giving, I tell God say it's different. My own giving when I won't do, I don't care how long it will take. But with God, all things are possible. And I know as I don't get that from my mind, for my heart, it will come to pass. I will do. My own giveaway, I won't work hard to give for my own sweat. Not be to collect for person, or to collect for my husband, to collect for this, to collect for that. No. You understand? So that's it. Now I tell her, sorry, no be my kind of giveaway. When the time come, I will reach out and I will let you know. So, and please stay away from it. Stop being fake. Be yourself. Be yourself. Fake life. Enough disgrace. They come YouTube, they come Facebook, they know, you know, every angle. Fake life, fake life, fake life. You know, because they know they do according to how they be. They know they put their hand for where they know they put themselves for where their hand reach. They do above themselves, they do past themselves. Not do past yourself. Not do past yourself. So people, they don't get, but they tell people say they get. Sometimes they broke. And we all broke. You know? Now when they tell they broke, when they tell people say I get, or when they want they no. For the little now when I get, even for the person when God sent my life, I really appreciate. But I still tell God say I want to do more by myself. You know? That's why for those of them who say they get the strength to work, they get the opportunity, they get the paper, everything. They say they depend on government. They pay me. I'm not to say no good though, but it don't really make sense, you know. It don't really make sense. If you get the paper, you get the strength, you know. What till they wait? Look for work. Go school. See all these disgrace and when they come. They phone waiting they not be today the last month and this one before you know another one before you know another one, and it will continue if people not stop. If they not stop, it will continue. Now every day we'll take the time for this social media. Every day they come out because lie, anything you build with lie is never good. Anything at the end they say nothing is hidden under sun. It will come out one day. Some people they try by all means not to recover their own. You know, guy, you won't cover and reach. Except you change and be yourself. And stop pretending to people. Stop the people waiting you not be. That's why I said they come now. Waiting like they do, now they tell people say, may they go do. You know, not be saying a fake life or and not they do. I can't tell me no. And because I they do, I still say it's good for me. It will still good for you. Finish. If not that one that will cause a fake life, if you don't know what to say, I not go understand. I they do. Yes, I they do. I they put in for school, I they put in for course. I they go my driver license as presence. I they read for us. I they do social media. That one have fun, I they use on the cash anyway. And this one what I do for my YouTube, now motivational thing I do for my YouTube is different from Facebook. Yeah, sometimes I will cash from, but that one they distracts me for reading. Because I know waiting this lockdown will even day, so I don't read. So like this week now, I don't do even reach 2-3 days when I do test. Because I know they do one thing, I know they repeat and now exam I can't they wait. And yeah, now I said they never open. So I know come because social media now, all this nonsense I will say, I get waiting they can when I won't do. It day I know. My husband they ask me and I say, I hope if this everything finish, you are ready for your exam. I say yes. In they remind me. In waiting they tell me, I hope you know they sleep, you they read. You they do your social media, you know say how they do. But I hope say you know they take your time. You know they take your full time. I say, I have truth. You know they take my full time. Yeah, I feel do I'll just if I off my camera now, I they read. I don't do the test, do. Now make everywhere open. Me, I go do my exam. Now I can't day. So that's why I consider they tell now. When this is finished, try. If now for driver license you won't start first, try. And it's good for work. If you find work now, you work, you get your car. They'll quit you if you get a license. They'll quit take you when you get a license, you get car. Because you will feel they come. You go there easy, you go there faster. You know, you get means to come faster. So now inside still tell me, you know, and they support me. And anything when me say I won't do when I like, and they say it good, you will say me you don't even say if you say even the social media say if you like you say but if they like it as for him, if you know they don't me say now him and they do it for now myself. But you will say, but make that one not distract you for waiting you won't do. I will say, okay. I know say now waiting they tell me, make I go this school, make I go course, make I do things. Now for myself, not be even for him. Because he don't do you. He don't do you. That's why they tell me, say, make I say do. Now for my own good, now it's for my own good. So I know say it's for my own good. That's why I say they take us serious. Even if I come here, come do social media, come, you know. And as I they do, and that's why I say I'll say come tell my people. The ones we go here, go here. Say those that have here, they should listen. You know? Not be everybody who listen. Some people now they will take them as, but no problem. The ones we go here, share the video. Maybe kuna hear me the share and subscribe to my channel, please. For those that we hear, if you know they useful to you, but it will they useful for another person. Now I be waiting and waiting I do for my YouTube is different from waiting I do for Facebook anyway. But that one not they distract me. Even if I know they put my 100% time for social media. That's the difference between me and some people. Social media not be my full life. Not be, and to even start with, not be they feed me. I get things when I want to do. So I no feel if for social media to stop her, to come deprive me for doing those things, for achieving those things. Una no will see me for some time. If I no can't draw video for some time, say I know you know say other things don't take my full time. Because now my half time, so I dedicate about 20% for social media, 80 or 30% for social media, 70% for myself. If you can't see say I not come do video, you know say that thing don't take my full time. So I no go come. Because that one is more important than social media. And if you see warrant, if I get 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour to draw video, I will feel drop anytime, any day. Motivate anybody when it will they useful for. That one, you know, will stop me anyway. You know? Even if I dey work, I go school journal. 1 hour, I feel take 1 hour then. Talk with I want to talk to my people. Talk waiting I want to tell my people then. Do my thing. And if they do social media, they do them. No let and if they come, no your let and take 100% of your time. I beg. No put full time on her. Because you know they too much, they good. They do your thing with that thing we say they do. With waiting me what they do. That's why I'll physically come they do social media. You know? What how they do, I'll say that they motive. That's why I will say they do social media till Jesus come. Because more the things they when I want they motivate people to they do from the ones when I they do, you know, and they motivate them to do and too. That's it. So please, my people, say no to fake life. Don't live beyond your standard. Don't live above yourself. Be yourself. And live according to how you fit, your strength. And pray for God for more strength, for wisdom, for knowledge, for understanding. You know? Get hardworking, be focused, do your thing. And anything when we say your heart, tell me you do it. Go for it. Don't let any negative stuff, anybody stop you. So you know that thing will be good for you in future. You do it. Just do it. And the Lord will bless you. Okay? Until next time, my people, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Stay safe. When you come across, please subscribe. Okay? Please. I beg. I know they force you. Not too much. But I just want to beg you guys. Support a sister. Support me. You know, let's grow this together. And if you see anything when you do, when you won't do, say let me know. I'll see you get any YouTube channel. Tell me. Send that to me. I'll subscribe to it. Tell me the name. Maybe they help each other. And if you get anything when you do, when you motivate and we need to many for this industry, for this industry when they do so, this motivational, or many of the nonsense too much. So I still need more of the motivational on to the motivate our people, because most time now all those nonsense, if they do saga, people will rush go there. Now if they teach, sometimes about 3-4 times I don't do this kind of video for Facebook. I know they do viewers, they know they look. If everybody, most 80% of people with the social media, all the social media live presenters, that they do them, you'll see people they will change for their ways. They do things for themselves. They concentrate more on this social media. They do not say they watch social media. Some people they do social media. They will from one go on down, they will from one go on down, they will from this one go on down. Anyone when you tell video, they will go this one, you will go there. Not what they do, they do not so what they do. Not be so what they do. So if you have anything to motivate with the people, the youth, I beg, still come out. More, we need some money for this industry. I beg. More we join hands so that everywhere goes sweet, everywhere go good. Because if we join hands, they do these things now. All this fake life thing, all this fake life, all this thing, they will still reduce, they will stop. But if one person they do something, they see support, they get they be. And there's a message I will be doing on my Facebook today about the people that is people be say they throw mass, they go palace. Obara talk he said, Obara talk he said, long live my king, my handsome, wonderful, big heart. He has a very beautiful heart. King, you will live long. You will live more than your forefathers. Okay? I love him. I thank you so much. Thank you for being there for the people. Our king is doing a great job. A very big one. And it saddens my heart to say some people, they will still go. Some people, they talk different rubbish. There is one, let me quickly say this before I go, mocking face or whatever. And it saddens me too to say where the Benin, some of the Benins, they support that guy for what thing they do. It's not good. It's not good at all. But we know they support evil. But we know they support bad things. But we know they support people will be say that they bring your kingdom down, that they throw man, they go give king. Our king is after there's a Queen Elizabeth and our king. Maybe one of those two kings for the whole world, the big pass king and queen. They won't need Dio, they will come out, and I see so many videos. I see one video when Bright Faith they do. Some people they form an organization to carry, God. I beg, what I will be saying today on my Facebook is for we to take action. Where are the men? Where the men when they talk say they be men? All these people they do all those things, and I know they watch and sing. So even the one I never start my live video, the thing they pay me. See, why people who use they leave these people, and some people they go they support them. Some Benin people they still go they support them for their evil acts. They let they throw man. Even if we did Europe, again they tell they say they treat this side. Up till now, they never say take action. You not to sue that guy to court. He get how our king gear for Europe here. If you do any all this kind of thing they happen when they happen when they do for my when they trauma for my great Benin, so say na here. They talk to not be that way, and our Hauba Benin is more than this king when they here. And this one when they here, you dare not talk rubbish. All this kind people, the group, they plan terror, they plan terrorism. So then Nigeria, out to Nigeria. Okay, the one with the European, they say they don't fit do anything because they Europe country. What about the one with the Nigeria? Won't be saying that they support them? Because it starts from there. Even that mocking face, that ugly thing, that machuoko, that in best side will be mocking face. Now people they support him. You know that guy is who be that one. Who be that one to even say he won't even pronounce our Oba Benin name for man. No talk or say you can they talk trash. That one rich for that one rich. And people they Benin people they say they tell this Europe. They no fit stand up since this guy how they do this thing. So if I tell you, I can't know so people make they know they send me those videos again because I no feel they watch am. I no feel they watch that guy they talk those nonsense. The time when the first time when we say they come they send to me when it don't agree me to come me that day. You feel talk nonsense about common man about not be our Oba Benin. Oh Gboriri. Oba talk he said you will live long. Yeah, that's it. Now from there, in your career bani no matter how anything will be said they won't plan or anything that they do. Now it's how they have for they do them anyway. But we still need to put a stop to it. We still need to put an end to it. Make the man, make the men una when they say una be bini, make una stand up. So that we, because me, if they already cram that guy now get up go court, I will go there. Go testify against him. Because the video, everything all go viral. Even the Benin, they say it's on the America, so the UK, all over this Europe, they just day 1 2 2. Because if I dey screw sometimes, you no need to enter the video for YouTube. That he got that idiot way they call mocking face. It don't dey YouTube. It go dey YouTube sometimes. You just look, huh? Me I show now. And you see, from here na B&B they live so. See, it will tell you say na 333 na they wash am. Now so I tell the see the idiot sometimes. I know they click am, I know they wash am. Cause I don't feel watch, I don't feel listen. They don't feel send me before years last year when you start when they talk those nonsense. So I know I was still say 1K something they wash them. Who are those people? Majority are Beninese. Because sometimes are Benin they speak. They are Beninese. Why be say Benin? They no get love for themselves normally. You want be Benin, you go to listen to that he got. That mean you they support her if you go they wash and when they talk those trash. Because I never ever want that idiot. I want the people be saying they send a me up to last year. Say me they don't send that for me. Because it in a verse me. And it's be saying in Europe now, you can't take laws into your hand. If not, I know so many people they don't go catch that guy. Then because when they see they do what they do, because you know, so even if you do it for the same Germany, you know if you go meet and walk. No. But you see, girl, you how will sit follow on? When be say with all the evidence, we be say they don't come out now, many don't they now. If it's so to court. Yes. And I'm hoping, I'm praying that so many people we should stand up, the men, especially the men. Because if we not do something, I will not say, una will lose respect for so this moment when it remain. If una feel day and now they talk, say, I be Benin, I be proud Benin, I be this, I be that. Then when your day person will they throw mats. Many people they get passport, they men, they get passport, they get this thing. Go that Germany or from your city when you there. Take lawyer, if not so, make we form organization, make people donate. Make we fire that guy. And people are full support, and I'm hoping to see that we take action this time. When they talk about everybody go they cause them. Yeah, we go they cause them fine, but make we they take action. Because where they go now, the leg when they won't break come out now is very bad. How you okay? How Benin people go they watch that idiot now? That motherfucker no fian. They were born like bewagmon. You go your day they talk those trash. Wait till you say make another tribe come talk for your own kingdom, for my own kingdom. Wait till you say make they talk. When you say a Benin person, already they talk. Wait till that one not to even talk. Like me now, I don't know anything concerning Oba Palace. I don't know anything concerning them. But if person when they and so they thought they get information, so people they call them for the palace, and so they who be those people when they call them for palace or not lie? Come here, I would they wonder. Gladys will come and so they all call and that one will crazy come out sometimes. And you what in palace now? Even Monica that time, and so she they talking, they all call for palace now. And the month you go talking, they all call for palace now. The other one will say they all call for palace now. And an amigo, they all call for palace now. Now so palace go to go to far one when they come they call now. Nuwagi ya way na how you they look now. Yeah, my dad never been, my mom no be been. Oh, my dad never been from their community for the village when they sometimes they tell me he will say they go palace. Let me say they see your bow or better other chiefs they will be say hey you know you are not able to see your back. But they go there. I know the way when they respect that kingdom. I know the way my dad they respect Oba. When they love and you know if they talk and sometimes it can make me come, you know, and this Oba when they're not very educated man. Now because our Oba you they free, just you know, who try the one time when our if your father day our Oba when he don't late, when he don't go, when he don't meet our ancestors. All this kind of thing no happen. Now so they be if person just quiet. Now so people there so they be. Now so they be. Oh, I fall bad that time we say they. Who try the nonsense? Why be say person yours quiet, person yours day? Man carry your rain. Oh, don't know. Not be say wait till they talk, you get where we want no. But we'll see if treat una fuck up. We'll treat una fuck up, yes. And I need the men. Una know so be men, make una stand up. Because this is getting too much. You know they go for here again. Because all those videos they go viral. Other people they watch and sometimes they use English they talk and the idiot, the mocking face, the ugly. You see a person you all big. That one self akpo my ro egbe. Akpo my dero egbe. That one be like person now dead among the living. If I all the first thing when they say that for me when I look at now this one they throw like you know some people they will say they got nothing to lose. They're not their life again, self. So now then, yeah, now, you know, but still, if focusing it to be treated. I beg, if now to make organization, me will donate money, me will take better lawyer, make them sue that guy to court. Now that one me will stand on. Yes. So that those know, because sometimes if they use English, they talk, other tribe, other people they hear, and they need to stop this year. Because I don't they hear, I know if stand them again. Yes, I can't stand. And now when I do social media, I can't stand it. If the men not fit stand up, I go lie tell the women. Since the men now, una not now, una go come out now, so now be this, una be that, una be for you know. I know they understand now. Una they make me the verse personally. Cause to the rant. Now they me na wa ruwa waje. Before this corona finish, more will come to an agreement. Yes, yeah, we might ban wow. But still, we can still do something for that nonsense to stop. We need to put an end because they don't expand. They don't many, and I see many people have many for that thing. And anyway, they all their pictures, everything they need to be exposed. One's hand meet that bashoko, that skeleton, that ugly mocking face. Obo aranike. Yes. So no, if una no want come together, we do this thing. Take better lawyer, sue that guy to court for waiting the talk, and with the evidence when the day so, we could do something. I know we like her. I know we agree. Yes, I know we agree. Yeah, I know say I be a woman, but fine. If something not good for here, you not good for here. You don't need to be man or woman before you need to take action or you need to talk with. Any marry her. It is worse by the day. It is worse by the day. And when I just stay there, it's not fair. And to make the thing worse. Who will come out now? Even if they talk trash about Queen Elizabeth, you don't see where they share them. You don't see the video. Our king here, they touch and inside your house, you know, there. They will find you. They will sue you. If they know, they will lock you. One another day, we see the Europe. You know me say you're going to use your hand killer. No, you know they don't need to take law into your hand. But you get the way they do those people. They feel me. Now that one won't start now. And by his special grace of God, we'll put an end to it. Obaga talk, he said, my king, you will live long. You will live. And my handsome king, I too love her. I too love my king. My handsome king, no. If I dey hear and they talk, I dey listen, that's how they die. I love my king, so I no go gree. I no go gree. The men abeg make una support us. Make we take action, okay? No be all those people when they throw mat. You need to stop. If not, so they will many they'll begin, you know. We need to put an end to that idiot, that mocking face, that dead among the living. You need to be teach lesson. They need to teach a lesson, yes. And again, they'll take go a baton, okay? And we need to start for somewhere. Thank you so much. Love you. God bless you. Anytime you come across this video, please subscribe. Support me. They give me. If I say this, subscribe, you know, you give me strength. Okay? Please support me and let's do this together. Okay? Love you. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and God bless your home, bless your family, bless your children, bless everything you lay your hand on. You are blessed. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a wonderful weekend and happy new month to everybody. Love you. Bye.